This Amliber 400-piece solder seal connector kit provides a generous assortment of heat-shrink butt connectors that cover a wide range of common wire gauges for automotive, marine, and household projects. The included compact electric heat gun quickly reaches high working temperature with adjustable settings, making the shrinking and soldering process fast and consistent. Each connector combines heat shrink tubing, internal solder, and adhesive lining, so you can create strong sealed joints without separate crimp tools or loose solder. The connectors are designed to resist moisture and abrasion, which is especially valuable for wiring exposed to vibration, splashes, or outdoor conditions. Clearly color-coded sizes make it easy to match the right connector to the wire, reducing mistakes and speeding up repetitive wiring tasks. Overall, this kit is a practical, all-in-one solution that simplifies wiring repairs while delivering reliable, professional-looking results for both hobbyists and experienced technicians.